Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. I hope you're all doing well. So this video is about the newly released TrollInstallerX or TrollInstaller 10, whatever you want to call it, and it will help you to install TrollStore on all your supported devices, and it will work from iOS 14.0 all the way through iOS 16.6.1, and it is the most reliable, quick and easiest method yet. The method shown in this video along with TrollInstaller 10 and TrollStore is completely free. So thanks to the developer for developing this tool. Now to get it, you will simply head to its official GitHub page. As you can see it right here. The TrollInstaller 10 supports two modes. So the first one is the direct installation, where the TrollStore and the persistence helper will be installed directly onto your device without leaving the installer. And the direct installation is supported on iOS 14.0 through 16.6.1 on A11 and lower, and on 14.0 through 16.5.1 on all your Arm64e devices, meaning A12 or higher devices. The direct installation method is not supported on A15, A16, M2 devices on iOS 16.5.1, and please note that as of now A8 devices are only supported on iOS 14.0 through 15.1. So A8 support for these iOS versions will change in the future once they support more versions. And for the indirect installation method, you will have to choose which app would be the persistence helper, and then from there you can install TrollStore. And yes, it will work on all your devices from 16.5.1 to 16.6.1, which means that the indirect installation method is supported on A15, A16, M2 devices on 16.5.1 also, which means that whatever method is used by this installer, iOS 14.0 through 16.6.1 is supported on all your devices, both A11 and lower and A12 and higher. Now guys, let's see how we can install it and use it. While you are at the TrollInstallerX official GitHub page, scroll down to get the latest release from the releases section. Scroll down and get this IPA file from here. So once you got the IPA, you can install it via Sideloading. Sideloading is completely free, so get to its official website and then scroll down, and from here install iTunes first, then install iCloud. These are the official links, all right, and then install Sideloading. From here simply download and install it. All right, as you can see, I have opened Sideloading and connected my iOS device via USB, and you can see it is on iOS 16.6, so it is supported. And yes guys, it works without a jailbreak. All right, so now simply from here select the IPA. All right, from here simply put your Apple ID here, hit start, and if it asks you the password for your Apple ID, put it in and wait for the process to finish. All right, as you can see, the app is now close to being installed. All right, it is 100% complete. Now you can close out of Sideloading. Now guys, to open the app on iOS 16, you will also have to enable developer mode. Go to settings and then go to privacy and security, then scroll down and you will find developer mode. If you can't see developer mode here, please simply install the app and it will show up. All right, hit it and please turn it on and restart the device. All right, so once your device boots back up, you can see that now the developer mode is on. Also, to open the app, go to settings, then general, then from device management, please trust the app. Make sure Wi-Fi is connected. Now you can open the app. All right, so the app looks like this. Now simply make sure Wi-Fi is connected and then hit install TrollStore. It will download kernel, so please wait here for the process to finish. All right, so once the kernel is downloaded, it will ask you to which app you want to make a persistence helper. So I will prefer tips. Now guys, after the app for the persistence helper is selected, you will see that the installation will complete and you will see successfully installed TrollStore. Now you can simply hit home and you will see TrollStore on the screen right away. Let's open it. And as usual, it will install LDID. And if you go to settings, you can see that the persistence helper is already installed to tips as we selected in the previous step. Let's check it. And yes, it is there, and we are at the latest version for TrollStore as of now. That's all for this video, guys. If you have questions, feel free to ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.